Hi boss, this is Maya from Audio Sources. Today, let me show you our factory. This is our factory front desk. Our factory is the professional car navigation manufacturer with over 18 years experience. This is our R&D department. We can offer OEM and ODM project. We have 4 warehouses for different materials. This is our electronic warehouse. This is package warehouse. This is plastic and metal warehouse. This is product warehouse. This is our workshop. If you would like to cooperate with us, welcome to contact me. See you next time. Bye.